everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we will animate first part of our logo. As you can see, we have separated first part in a separate new layer. So for animating our first part, we will use our transform properties and keyframes. So first select our layer which contains first part of our logo and go to effects control panel. And we will animate it using rotation, opacity and scale properties. As you can see, by changing rotation value, this flap is rotating about its anchor point. But there is one problem. We want this flap to rotate from its lowermost point. So for that, we have to change its anchor point value. We want that anchor point to be at lowermost position so that it rotates from the lowermost point. Now we have changed the position of anchor point. Now bring that flap back to its original position. Our next step is to animate this logo. So for that, first we will create a keyframe for rotation and scale. When you click on the stopwatch icon, Premiere Pro notes its position and scale. It remembers its position with respect to time. Now we will move the slider to its starting point and we will change our rotation value. And we will also change our scale value. So by doing this, Premiere Pro knows that how it has to transform these values between the two keyframes. So it will rotate from this position to its actual position in the given time. You also want to add opacity, so click on stopwatch for opacity and give opacity 0. Now go back to its actual position where you want that logo to reveal and bring its opacity to 100%. With this, we have successfully animated our first part of our logo. As you can see, by moving the slider, our logo is animating. First flap